You may think it's another. Oh. Do you know what this is? Look what it is on the inside, though.
Dover.
Impulse.
And the indicator is burned.
Yeah, it's been like that for a while.
I think.
Oh, it's going up?
Huh?
You going up?
Yeah.
Yeah, come in. 2,100 pounds. These are older contacts. A little bit low in oil there.
Another ride?
Yeah, we'll do another way. You guys coming in? I want to get a picture of the blue whale out there. I'll get it outside too. Obviously, this is hydraulic. Yep, Dover. It's weird. It used to be impulse buttons until they got these replacements. Oh, you gotta be able to see it. Hold on. It's a cool little thing. Here's something cool. This is what it looks like in the Yep, there's the blue whale. Oh look, it looks cool from the outside. Look, you can see it's like almost like neat.
It's much dimmer in here than my camera's picking it up.
Mine is not.
Oh yeah, yours is much dimmer.
Yeah, yours would actually be a very decent.
I think everything might be a little overexposed.
Wait, try getting the fixtures. I want to see you get the fixtures. Yeah, there it goes again. All right, we're gonna go back up. Get like the fixtures, and I want to see it through your camera. Yeah, yours is. Did not mean to do that.
There's apparently an outlet in there.
Wait, you should stand on the outside and I'll ride it like up and down. Oh no, we got in it.
Tripped on it.
Wait, can you get the fixtures? Like, turn your brightness up all the way.
Why?
Just because. Oh, that's the side it goes. All right, close.
Why do you want it so high?
Yeah, I wanted to see how the lights flickered. That's not original. They got nano spectra cover on this impulse, but it does not mash well.
What? Okay.
This is the only newer.
James.
I was about to close it, dang it. That's the only newer button, the one button. That was the only replacement. And let me try. What are you laughing about? Picture a blue whale.